Alright, today we're going to do a demo on a Cincinnati Model 20M centerless grinder. We have the regulating wheel currently running. This is the regulating wheel dresser that is manual, and that you turn it by hand and feed the diamond down onto your wheel. I have this cover off here just for the video so we can see the regulating wheel. This is your in-feed. This moves the regulating wheel slide, this top slide, in and out. It's also your in-feed. You have this plunge handle here. Once you're set up and have the right size, you use this handle to move the wheel in and out of the work area. And of course, fine adjustments would be made with the hand wheel over here. Also, if you lock this down and open this up, then you can move the whole bottom slide away from the grinding wheel. So this is a double slide, could be pushed in and out. Also has a certain amount of swivel to it. The regulating wheel also has a swivel for if you're grinding through feed and you want to pull the part through. Or have just taper on the workpiece. This is your work rest blade holder and the different blades. This can be set up for through feed grinding or in feed grinding. This is your master start and stop buttons. I'm going to go ahead and start the grinding wheel. Okay, we got the grinding wheel on now. Over here we've got the dresser for the grinding wheel. You see, as I lift the lever up here, dresser moves toward us. I can increase the speed and back and forth. Also, there's a template that the dresser can follow. If you were using a template, and then your in-feed to the diamond and to the wheel. Machine is currently wired for 440, 460, 480 volts. This is your main disconnect here. Cooling system is alongside of the machine here. I'm just going to move the camera up a little bit so we can get a better look at the dresser. As I want to show you how it comes in, and we could slow that speed down nicely. Or go the other way. We also have the in-feed wheel over here on the back, where you can loosen this and tighten this, excuse me. And this is your adjustment for your size amount. Lock that down, and here's your in-feed bar. We have over here on the right side of the machine, these levers down here are for adjusting the different speed rates of the regulating wheel. You like to go faster for dressing and slower for grinding. This is the automatic lubrication system for the ways and slides. There's also an additional drip system for the chain oiler, and of course on top of the grinding wheel spindle is a little glass reservoir of spindle oil. Also, we have here a nice assortment of additional work rest blades that go with this machine in this nice box. So that's what we have here. And at the base of the machine, I have an access area to get at certain motors and oil reservoirs and lubrication points, as well as your electrical over on this side. I'll try and give you a bird's eye view of that. Very clean in there. As I said, this is three-phase, 460 volts, 440, 480. And there's a close-up of the grinding area, the regulating wheel, the dressers, and now we'll come back and close this here. So as you can see, this would go up onto here and lock in place. There are some additional splash guards that you could fit on the front of the machine when you're working. All right, so I guess I covered everything. So that's it.